Filter. Now, we move to important feature and very frequently used, that is filter data. This is very simple to use. Just highlight the top data header and click filter. Let's take example. I filter the gender and select male, then female. Now we can know how many population for each category. Another example, let's say we filter through position title and we select engineer. It shows how many engineers in company and who they are. To reset, simply click clear and worksheet will show all the data. Sort. Sort is useful to organize database on what we want, such as from large to lowest, from A to Z, the best ranking, and so on. Start with highlighting the area. Click sort and tick the headers to exclude the row from sorting process. In this example, I choose salary as value and select order from large to small. Now you can see the data is arranged based on sorting salary from the large to small. Data validation. One of function for data analysis is to change input text to become data list. In this example, let's see the database. In column position title, the input type is free text and we want to change become data list input. First, we should have source data. To make it fast, I copy from current input, paste in the right side and remove the duplication through remove duplicates. Yes, that is the result. Second, I put the highlight in column position title and click the data validation. I select low, list and define source from the right side table. I extend one row since I want to enter type of position called others. You can see the result. The position title column now change become data list type, and even we can change the data by scrolling down the list. Third, you can hide your source to avoid deletion or change since it will change also the input. Collapse the ribbon. In some cases, sometimes we need to maximize the display of main table and reduce many icons shown in displays. We can collapse the ribbon through click this button, right corner, and the menus will disappear. The main display will show wider than before. To turn back the display, go to menu Home and click the pin ribbon.